Myfitnesspal, how to create a meal. Firstly, you have to open MyFitness app. In this way, the app will appear in front of you like this. The app is being loading. Okay, how to create a meal? You can see at the bottom that there are different options like dashboards, diary, newsfeed, plans, and the more. You have to click on the more. This type of screen will appear here. Now scroll this bar and you can see here recipes, meals, and food. Click on recipes, meals, and the food. You can see how to create a meal. You move to the meal here and you can see here there is an option of create meal. Click on it. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. In this way, you can create your meal by writing the name of the meal and adding the calories according to your choice. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.